Have you ever had a day that started with one small annoyance, like a spilled coffee, and somehow spiraled into a total disaster by noon? One might notice how quickly the mind hits panic mode, convincing you that because one thing went wrong, everything is ruined. This spiral happens because your brain is a bit like a computer with too many tabs open. When a negative event happens, your brain's negativity bias highlights it to keep you safe, treating it like a virus scan that freezes the whole system. Your body floods with stress chemicals like cortisol, which essentially eats up all your RAM so you can't process anything else clearly. You aren't actually having a bad day. You're just stuck in a glitchy loop. Step 1. The mechanical jolt. When a computer freezes, you don't politely ask it to work. You force a restart. Do the same for your body. Splash ice-cold water on your face. Do 10 jumping jacks, or literally shake your arms out. This physical shock interrupts the stress signal your body is sending to your brain. It tells your nervous system, we are changing the state now. Step 2. Close the tabs. Once you've jolted your system, you need to free up memory. Stop doom scrolling. Turn off the podcast and silence the noise for just 2 minutes. Try the 5-5-5 breath. Inhale for 5, hold for 5, exhale for 5. This simple pattern manually switches your nervous system from fight or flight back to rest and digest, proving to your brain that the emergency is over. Step 3. The micro win. A bad day makes you feel helpless. To fix this, you need to prove you still have agency. Do one tiny thing that you can control and complete in under 2 minutes. Make your bed, wash a single dish, or delete 3 junk emails. This small victory releases a hit of dopamine, a reward chemical that helps get your brain back on the right track. Here is the deeper shift. A bad day isn't a solid block of time. It's just a series of moments. You don't have to throw the whole day away just because the morning was rough. By using a reset button, you realize you aren't a victim of your day. You are the editor of it. You can yell cut, rewrite the scene, and start the next moment fresh. If this helps you stop a bad spiral in its tracks, consider subscribing so we can keep building your mental toolkit together. What is your personal emergency brake when a day starts going wrong?